All right, we're gonna make the pork belly strips the Puerto Rican way with adobo and sazon, and we're gonna make it the Japanese way with Japanese barbecue sauce. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, there's the Puerto Rican style, and here's the Japanese style. It's a little burnt, but it's gonna be amazing. It smells amazing. Here we go. Puerto Rican, Japanese, sticky rice, salad. Let's see which one is better. Which one do you like better?
I don't know, they're both really good.
Yeah.
What about you?
I love both.
Okay.